Everyone talks about the new normal, but if this is the new normal, I'm so happy this day has come.
You've got nothing left to do but face what's in front of you.
I can't wait for the start of our life together.
Loud as thunder, clear as water. Look at what's in front of you. Temperature rising. No more disguises. And it feels like it is the first heartbeat inside your chest. And the sea, life is just a minute. I am just a breath, just a breath, just a breath. Shapes and colors form inside.
For those of you that know Hogan, know Kiki, will know that what we have here today is a 21st century example of love. It survived dates being postponed, and finally it has come today. It survived even Corona.
And it feels like it is the first heartbeat inside your chest. And the sea, life is just a minute. I am just a breath, just a breath.
My dearest Hogan Engelbrecht, do you take Angeliki to be your wedded wife, to love and to cherish till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Find the phrases come up from the ground.
I would like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Engelbrecht. Woo! Please give them a hand.
My beautiful bride, you're my home. You look unbelievable, and I love you so much.